Hello to all. I am Dr.A.Beatrice Dorothy, Assistant Professor, Department of Data Science, St.Joseph College, Tiruchirappalli. In this video, we are going to see about matrices. In this video, we have definition of a matrices, notation of a matrices, and different types of matrices. Definition of a matrix. Matrices, the plural form of a matrix, or the arrangements of numbers, variables, symbols, or expressions in a rectangular table that contains various numbers of rows and columns. They are rectangular shaped arrays for which different operations like addition, multiplication, and transposition are defined. The numbers or entries in the matrix are known as its elements. Horizontal entries of matrices are called rows, and vertical entries are known as matrices. Notation of matrices. If a matrix has m rows and n columns, then it will have m by n elements. A matrix is represented by the uppercase letter, in this case capital A, and the elements in the matrix are represented by the lowercase letter, and two subscripts representing the position of the element in the number of rows and column in the same order. In this case, small a, I, j, where I is the number of rows and j is the number of columns. Here, for example, we have considered a 3 by 3 matrix. Here, if I want to find an element that is in the second row and in the third column, then it is small a 2, 3, which will we have 6 as the resultant element. Type of matrices. First one is row matrix. A matrix having its elements in a single row with any number of columns. Here, in this case, we have considered a single row with 4 columns. Column matrix. A matrix having its elements in a single column, but we can have n number of rows. Here, we considered a single column with 3 rows. So, we have 3 by 1 matrix. Square matrix. A square matrix which has equal number of rows and columns. We have 2 by 2 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix, 4 by 4 matrix, 5 by 5 matrix, and n number of matrices we can have. The only thing is that we should have equal number of rows and equal number of columns. Zero or null matrix. A matrix is said to be zero or null if all the elements are zero. In null matrix, we can have any number of rows and any number of columns. Here we have considered a square matrix, which is a 3 by 3 matrix. Diagonal matrix. A diagonal matrix is a square matrix in which the entries outside the main diagonal are all zero. Here in this condition, we can also have any number in the diagonal. Scalar matrix. A scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix that has all the elements in the diagonal equal to each other and the off-diagonal elements are 0. Here, we have considered the number 3. So, the numbers in the diagonal are all 3. If it is 1, then we call it as a unit matrix or identity matrix. Triangular matrix. A triangular matrix is a special kind of square matrix which will have entries either in the upper boundary or lower boundary. If it is in the upper, then it is called as upper triangular matrix. If it has any elements in the lower triangle, then we call it as lower triangular matrix. Thank you.